Welcome to this video on some of my favorite commands included in our MicroCAD productivity tools for Civil 3D. When installed, the MicroCAD productivity tools will appear as a new ribbon in your Civil 3D interface. We will start by exploring the Add Stations and Offset Points command. This command enables you to identify a station and offset information on a Kogo point. Here we have a handful of Kogo points identifying possible utility pole locations, and we'd like to create a table with the relative station and offset locations for all of these from the alignment. I will activate the Add Station and Offset command, select my points by group or by selection, select the alignment I'm interested in. We may select a secondary alignment if we are in an intersection. The cogwheel enables you to put a suffix or prefix for the sides, that however you want to see it. Hit OK, and we have ultimately created additional properties for these Kogo points that we can then utilize in a label style or a table style. So I've created a table style to examine the result. Station and offset style, I will select my group and hit OK, and we have the station offset and the side and the reference alignment all tabulated. If for any reason this point number 3 changes location to be over on that side of the road, we simply need to rerun the command, revert, hit OK, and as you can see now point number 3 is back on the right side of the road. The second feature is the create alignment from feature line command. It enables us to create an alignment with an associated profile from a feature line. Typically, we're able to create a feature line from an alignment. This command will enable the reverse. So if we have a feature line, kind of like so, this is a feature line. And I'd like, with elevations, I would like to have an alignment and a profile for this feature line. I will create the alignment from feature line command, select my feature line, give it a name, give it a site if applicable, probably give it a style, a layer, a label set to use. Most importantly though, we want to create a profile, give the profile a name, a proper style, a proper layer, a label set if applicable. And I would like to create a profile view and erase the existing feature line. Hit OK, and I get the interface to create a profile view. And I will place it right here. There we go, we have an alignment, we have the profile, it's all set for us to use. Next handy command is a big time saver to create multiple profiles. This command enables you to create multiple profile views and surface profiles whenever you have a situation where you have multiple alignments in your drawing and you'd like to create a lot of surface profiles in one go. So here I have one alignment over here, one alignment there, and a long corridor alignment. These two alignments on the sides do not have a surface profile at the moment. Street A and Street B do not have a surface profile, nor do they have a profile view. I will activate the create multiple profiles, select the alignments that I'm interested in, select the surface that I would like to sample, the layer, the style that I'd like to apply, and this is the spacing between profile views. This is the profile view style, no bands, hit OK. I would select up here, and just like that, I now created three profile views and along with the surface profiles for each one of those alignments. Very handy and big time saver whenever you have many. Good handy cleanup tool is label assemblies. I have an assembly here, and typically we have many assemblies in our drawings. We can label the assemblies very efficiently. Choose the text style you'd like to use, and there we go. We have a label right away. So very handy there. Perhaps the most important and powerful feature is the pipe editor command and the pipe tools. Um, Here we have a storm line, have a catch basin, a pipe, catch basin, and so on. And it's plotted on my profile view here. And if we typically need to change the inverse or the slope, we typically need to go to pipe properties, one pipe at a time. With this command, the pipe editor, you select at the beginning of your run and the end of your run. This does not need to be the end of the pipe network. It is the end of whatever you want to modify for the pipe run. Select the beginning, select the end, and we get a dialog box to basically either lock the upstream or lock the downstream. If you lock the downstream, then you're gonna have to put in an elevation for the downstream and you work yourself up. Or for this example, I will choose to uh, design from upstream down to downstream. I start with elevation 205. Maybe I'd like to change the typical slope here to be 0.5. Maybe I'd like to have a drop of maybe zero point 0.1. And as you can see, there is already a preview happening. There is additional settings here. You can align the pipes by inverse center of crown and basically hit apply and close, and the system adjusted itself. New slopes have been developed here, and it's huge time saver if you ever worked with pipe networks. Another really cool feature is if you have multiple pipes or multiple structures that you would like to swap in one go, there is a swap multiple parts command. Select the pipe run again. Does not have to be the entire network. Maybe I would like to change uh, the structures to be uh, manhole instead of a catch basin. So you change the manholes to be the structures to be a different structure. Maybe I do not want to change my pipes, so I'll say pipes keep existing, hit OK. It says on the command line 5 of 9 parts have been swapped, and I can see a different structure style on my plan view here, identifying these are manholes, no longer are they catch basins. Those are just a subset of my favorite features included in the productivity tools. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.